Number one, what brings you here? Number two, why are you here? Number three, I was expecting you. Number four, what are you up to? Number five, is everything alright? Number six, where have you been? Number seven, how is life? Number eight, can I do something for you? Number nine, I am glad to see you here. Number 10, what is wrong with you? Number 11, I came straight here. Number 12, I have so much to talk about. Number 13, I didn't mean it. Number 14, why such a hurry? Number 15, what's the rush? Number 16, I have this much sense. Number 17, what's wrong with it? Number 18, say it again. Number 19, don't be over smart. Number 20, can I ask you something? Number 20, what is going on? Number 22, talk to you later. Number 23, well done, keep it up. Number 24, everything is fine. Number 25, I will call you back. Number 26, what do you mean? Number 27, what can I do for you? Number 28, no kidding. Number 29, this is not a joke. Number 30, hope to see you again soon. Number 31, I will try my best. Number 32, I'm feeling tired today. Number 33, put on the shoes. Number 34, put on your vest. Number 35, put the garbage in the dustbin. Number 36, move aside. Number 37, let him go. Number 38, no need to taunt. Number 39, what nonsense.